everybody's interested in AI these days, but neuromorphic computing is actually something that is a part of it that not a lot of people know about. So can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to see here?
Sure. Neuromorphic computing is a different approach to do AI, and we're really focused on edge AI because neuromorphic computing is really inspired by the brain, the way the brain processes data. So it does it very selectively, and it really is looking for events. So it doesn't process every sample. So most of the data we see is very sparse, and you don't want to spend your power and your computations on this data. So we really specialize in edge sparse data computations on streaming data.
Okay. Now, you have a new platform that's out. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, our new platform is the Akida 2. This is the next generation architecture that's supporting the advancements in neural network architectures. We know CNNs really started this craze in AI back in 2012 with ImageNet, and then Transformers has transformed AI as well, as you know, with LLMs. The third wave that we're going to be seeing is state space models. These are really kind of an outshoot of applying deep learning to control theory, and it provides very optimized implementations that improve the accuracy, reduce the model size, and dramatically reduce the amount of computations needed to do neural processing. So we think this is really going to be an incredibly exciting third wave of innovation in AI.
Okay. Well, you have a chip implementation at this point and a new M.2 module that people can get. Could you tell us about it?
Sure. This is really based on our Akida 1 architecture, which doesn't support space models, but it's really focused on that neuromorphic computing architecture that's event-based. We developed a chip that incorporates a ARM M.4 microcontroller plus 20 nodes of our neural processor architecture, Akida 1, that supports 1.5 TOPS per device. What we've done is we're really democratizing neuromorphic AI by making it production available to everyone in really great form factors. We've got an Edge AI box that's completely integrated with a NXP card running Yocto, and it has 3 TOPS on it. This is a very economical way for companies to put AI in the edge in an industrial, a medical, or an enterprise solution where they can drop this box on. They can use it to support and deploy AI models using a wide array of partners that we've announced at the show here today. Between Edge Impulse, we have AI Labs with Prophecy, BE Motion, Vedya, and Dagiram that all are supporting this platform. To make it even more available, we've been selling our PCIe version of this card for some time, but we've come out with an M.2 module here that we think is going to really allow people to put this into, very small microcontroller-based controllers that could be on a factory floor. This consumes a watt, and it's under $100 in volume. So it's really going to be a way for people to put AI, drop it into a box, and suddenly now start doing machine learning on their streaming data.
Excellent. Well, thanks for filling us in on how we get started on neuromorphic computing.
Thank you so much, Bill. Pleasure to be invited here. Yes.